Amy Slayton has been one of the most beloved stars on TLC's 1000 LB Sisters since the show's debut, capturing fans' hearts with her humor, honesty, and emotional journey through weight loss and motherhood. But lately, fans have been wondering, now that Amy has lost a significant amount of weight, will she follow in her sister Tammy Slayton's footsteps and get skin removal surgery? It's a question that's been buzzing through the fandom as Amy continues her journey of self-improvement. Let's take a deep dive into what's really going on in Amy's life and whether she's ready to take this next big step. Ever since 1000 LB Sisters premiered, viewers have watched Amy struggle with her weight, confidence, and health. In earlier seasons, Amy's biggest goal was to lose enough weight to qualify for bariatric surgery, and she accomplished that. Her weight loss allowed her to achieve something she had dreamed of for years, becoming a mom. Amy welcomed two sons, Gage and Glenn, but pregnancy and postpartum struggles made it difficult for her to maintain her new lifestyle. After giving birth, Amy admitted that she gained some of her weight back, but she didn't lose sight of her goals. She wanted to keep improving not just for herself but for her kids. However, as her body changed, so did her self-image. Amy began to open up about one of the most common struggles after major weight loss, loose skin. Fans who follow Amy on social media have noticed her sometimes hiding her arms or midsection, and that's fueled speculation that she might be insecure about the extra skin. It's a completely normal part of the process, especially after losing a large amount of weight in a relatively short time. Loose skin can be uncomfortable, make it difficult to exercise, and cause rashes or infections. It's also a major mental challenge, because even after all the hard work, the mirror doesn't always reflect the transformation someone feels inside. For many, skin removal surgery becomes the final step toward feeling truly free from the weight they once carried. Amy has not confirmed that she's getting surgery yet, but fans have noticed clues suggesting she might be considering it. In recent episodes and TikTok videos, Amy has been looking happier, more confident, and more focused on her health than ever. She's been spending more time at the gym and posting about trying to maintain healthy habits. Some fans believe these are signs that Amy is preparing her body for surgery. After all, doctors usually recommend that patients be at a stable weight for a while before undergoing skin removal procedures. That could mean Amy is trying to ensure she's both physically and emotionally ready before taking the next step. Meanwhile, Amy's sister Tammy Slayton recently underwent skin removal surgery after her own dramatic weight loss. Tammy's transformation has been nothing short of inspiring. She went from being bedridden and relying on oxygen to walking, traveling, and living independently. Tammy has proudly shown off her new body, and her glow-up has made fans wonder whether Amy might be inspired to do the same. Tammy has publicly supported Amy many times, saying she wants her sister to be happy and healthy. If Tammy's surgery has helped her regain confidence and comfort, it wouldn't be surprising if Amy saw that and started thinking about her own options. But for Amy, things are more complicated. She's a mother of two young children, and any kind of major surgery would mean recovery time away from her sons. That's likely a big factor in her decision. Amy has always said that being a mom is her greatest joy, and she's incredibly hands-on with Gage and Glenn. Recovering from skin removal surgery can take several weeks, sometimes even months, and Amy might not want to miss precious time with her boys. It's a difficult balance, choosing between self-care and motherhood responsibilities, but it's one that Amy seems to be handling with thought and pity. NCE. There's also the emotional side of surgery. Amy has been open about her struggles with self-esteem and mental health. She's admitted that even after losing weight, she sometimes still feels like the same person inside. Surgery might bring physical relief, but it also requires mental preparation. Many people who undergo body contouring surgeries talk about how strange it feels to see themselves afterward. It's like meeting a new version of yourself. For someone as emotional and self-reflective as Amy, that could be both exciting and overwhelming. Fans have also debated whether TLC might feature Amy's skin removal surgery on a future season of 1000 LB Sisters. Given the show's focus on the Slayton sisters' health journeys, it would make perfect sense. Viewers have followed every step of their transformations, from their lowest points to their most triumphant milestones, and seeing Amy take on surgery would be an inspiring storyline. TLC has documented Tammy's medical procedures in detail, and fans were deeply moved watching her transformation. Amy's surgery could offer another powerful chapter in the Slayton family story. However, Amy has recently hinted that she's been thinking about focusing more on her kids and less on filming. She's expressed exhaustion with the constant pressure of being on TV and having every part of her life scrutinized. If she decides to get surgery, she might choose to do it privately, away from the cameras, to heal both physically and emotionally without public commentary. That would fit her recent pattern of protecting her peace. After all, she's dealt with plenty of online criticism in the past, from body shamers to people judging her parenting, and she's been trying to rise above it. Financially, surgery is another consideration. Even though Amy is a reality TV star, cosmetic procedures like skin removal aren't always covered by insurance, unless they're medically necessary due to chronic infections or physical limitations. These surgeries can cost tens of thousands of dollars. But fans speculate that if TLC decides to feature her journey, the network might help with the expenses or partner with medical professionals for the show. Tammy's surgery was reportedly filmed and covered by the production, so it's not impossible that Amy could receive similar support. Another interesting element is Amy's love life. Since her separation from Michael Hultman, Amy's been rediscovering herself and learning how to live independently. In this new phase of self-love and self-discovery might be pushing her to focus more on her personal growth. Surgery could represent a way for her to reclaim her body after years of struggle, both physically and emotionally. It could also mark a new chapter, one where she feels more confident stepping into her own spotlight, not just as Tammy's sister or as a mom, but as Amy, the woman who fought her way to health and happiness. For now, Amy seems to be taking things one step at a time. She's spending more time outdoors with her kids, smiling more in her photos, and trying to live life without the constant stress of public opinion. Her fans, who have supported her through every phase, continue to cheer her on, no matter what she decides. The 1000 LB Sisters community has always been deeply connected to Amy's journey, seeing her as a symbol of resilience and warmth. Whether she decides to get skin removal surgery or not, it's clear that Amy's transformation is far from over. What's undeniable is how much Amy has grown, emotionally, mentally, and physically, since you first met her. Her story has shown that weight loss isn't just about the numbers on a scale but about reclaiming one's life. If Amy does go forward with surgery, it will likely be another courageous decision on her long road of personal evolution. And if she decides against it, that too will be a powerful statement about self-acceptance and loving yourself as you are. Fans will continue to speculate, of course, because that's what happens when someone as beloved as Amy Slayton lives part of her life in the public eye. But whether she's in front of the cameras or taking time for herself, Amy's journey will continue to inspire countless people who see themselves in her story. For many, Amy represents hope, the reminder that it's never too late to make a change, to find happiness, and to love yourself at every stage of your journey. In the end, whether Amy Slayton chooses to undergo skin removal surgery or not, one thing is certain: her strength, humor, and heart have made her a star far beyond TLC. She's shown that transformation isn't just about looks, it's about healing, forgiveness, and courage. Her next chapter, whatever it holds, will be one fans won't want to miss. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.